Kilo fait on monte chocolate, fine fine oh bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more mote, your body chocolate.
Kings and queens, happy Wednesday. Just want to show you what I'm making tonight. Dinner on a budget. I bought this cut of steak. This is the beef chunk steak. It's cheaper and it's, you know, you cook it right, it tastes just as good. Worcestershire sauce I'm going to add to it, sweet potato and broccoli and carrots. Okay, so let's cook with me. Okay guys, so I seasoned up the meat and it's marinated. Okay, next I'm going to cut up some peppers and onions and scallion and my garlic. Alright guys, I'm going to put some butter in my pot. My stove is on low heat. You don't want the butter to burn. I'm going to add my garlic. So basically I'm going to sear the meat on each side before I put it in the oven. Add a little bit more butter. So I'm just going to let the butter melt and the garlic soften up a little bit, like 2 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm going to remove some of the garlic. And now I'm going to add my meat. Alright, listen to that. So I'm just going to sear it on each side. For like 2 minutes. In the container that I seasoned the meat in with the remaining sauce, I'm going to pour all of this stuff into it, the onions and the peppers and the thyme and the garlic, and I'm just going to mix it well and pour it on top of the meat. Then I'm going to cover tightly and I'm going to place it in the oven for an hour. That should do it. Guys, it smells so good in here. I can't wait. Well, I wasn't going to have any, but you know, I'm just cooking for the family, but I'm going to have to partake with this. Mix it well and just pour everything. Alright guys, it's been an hour. Let's check it out. Woo. All right. Looks good. Pretty tender. Still need to cook some more though, but I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to baste. Smells real good. Now I'm just going to baste it. I think I'm just gonna cover it and let it stay for another 30 minutes. But it, see, I just took this apart piece right there from here. Time to do the veggies. I got my broccoli and carrots. And I have some olive oil in the pan. I'm going to add my favorites, minced garlic. Just a tablespoon. Some lemon pepper. And some garlic powder. And just let your onion, the garlic soften up a little bit. My stove is on low heat. So for like 2 minutes. I'm going to add my carrots, and I'm just going to cover this for 2 minutes before I add my broccoli, because I like my broccoli with a little crunch. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 2 minutes, okay? Alright guys, looking good. And you can add salt if you want. So now I'm just putting in my broccoli. And I'm just going to cover this for 5 minutes. Okay? Check it out. Oh, look at that, guys. Nice and green. And just give it a mix. I'm just going to mix it and turn the stove off, okay? Just so my family like it. Broccoli and carrot. And the broccoli with a little crunch. Okay, that's it.